A code section that's very similar to section 1031 is 1033 that provides for an exchange period that's completely different than what we're ordinarily used to. Under 1033, you can suffer a loss like from theft, destruction from a storm, or from government seizure or condemnation. So what is the replacement period in the context of a 1033? Your loss due to destruction or theft would start the period under that scenario, but in the context of seizure, the process can actually start when there's the first imminent threat, the first perceived credible threat. So your process for replacement period can actually commence even before you received any consideration, but when the threat occurs, or when the seizure occurs, or when you receive a summons from the government for a condemnation proceeding. So that's the commencement of the period. But what about the end of the period? The end of the period typically ends 2 years after the close of the year in which you receive the first payment that you realize income from. But in the case of real estate that's held for investment or business purposes, that period can be extended to a 3-year period, again, from the close of the year in which you receive the first payment that you realize income from. Thank you very much. If you've got questions about 1033s, feel free to reach out to me.